Next question from Zito Crypto. As a professional and someone who has successfully traded for a long time, what do you suggest for someone who loses a significant portion of their portfolio in a single trade? Should I take a break? What did you do when you experienced substantial losses in the market in the past? So, excellent question. And I did. When I was very young, I was 20 or 21 years of age, I made a lot of money in one trade. And I got very arrogant. I thought I was a god. I thought everything I touched turned to gold. I took that money. I made about $21,000. I borrowed money and invested about 70. I lost it all. And I'm so grateful that happened, because that made me who I am today. It made me humble, and it made me make sure I never make that same mistake again. Okay? And you learn allocations, risk management. And that's why I keep talking about allocations matter. Yes, you can go out the risk curve, but only with a tiny piece of your bag. If it blows up, it doesn't matter. And you keep your big majority bags in things that you deem are safe. Things like Bitcoin. I talk about Bitcoin because it's safe. It's not going to get you that 10x. Well, technically it could this cycle, believe it or not. If you bought at 15.5 and it goes to 150, a lot of people are expecting more than that. That's a 10x, which is unheard of. Still possible, but from here to go from 65 to 150, it's a little over 2x, not that exciting. And that's the key to investing. And remember, if I use leverage, if I do a perp on Sol, it's literally, I calculated, it's like 0.001% of my bag. It's nothing. I do it for fun because I know perps are there to wreck you. Now, do I use heavy, dangerous leverage on stocks? Yes, I do, because I know exactly how to manage the risk on those puppies. So this is kind of a little bit of background. Now, what I would advise, it does happen to everybody, that the most important thing when you make a mistake like that is to learn from it. Pause and reflect. Take a break after a loss, okay? And this can prevent reactive decisions driven by emotions such as fear or the desire to quickly recoup losses, which will make you lose more because your frame of mind is not in the right place. Use this time to assess what happened, understand what happened, review the trade, analyze it from beginning to end that led to the loss. Understand what went wrong. Was it a market anomaly? Was it an error in analysis? A failed strategy? Was it leverage? No risk management? Too much allocation? Too much greed? Listening to somebody spewing crap on the internet? I don't know. Find out what the root cause was and never let that happen again. Put it on a sticky note by your bathroom mirror and watch it every single morning. Now, it's very important to get back in the saddle. And to do that, before returning to trading with real money, consider a period of trading with paper, as I call paper trading. Simulate it and make sure before you get back on the saddle, you're winning 80% of the time. You're getting in, you're getting out. A little secret as well that I always like to know is know your exit before you enter. So if you're buying something at, say, $60, set your goal to get out at 100. You can get out. Make sure you do. Or hedge or do something. Or if you're in something super risky, you allocate $1,000 and it does a 10x. Very first thing you do is take your initial capital off the table. And if you want to let the other 90% ride, you can do that. But that way you can play with the table's money. So important. And then in future, always manage risk. Consider implementing or adjusting stop loss orders, limit potential, allocations, position sizing. It is all so important. And finally, always manage emotions. Trading psychology is critical. It's essential to maintain discipline and control over emotions. Practice detachment from the outcomes of individual trades. As I say, if you don't care about money, you're much more successful. If you're emotionally attached to your money, you will not be successful. Consider techniques such as mindfulness, talking to a mentor, a trainer, a coach. Get that emotional resilience.